guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be cooking stuffed capsicum. This is a requested video, so I hope you like it. First, I'll get some ingredients from my garden. I'll grab some coriander and I'll grab chilies and grab one chili. What do you call this chili? I don't know what it is, so comment down below if you know what sort of chili is this, because I only know this chili. It's a green chili, or in Cebuano it's called siling espada. Now let's get cooking. For today's video, I will be cooking a stuffed capsicum. First, I'll talk to you what are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. So first we have the filling. Premium mince, it's beef mince. I have sultanas, black olives. I have the onion here. I have tomato, green chilies from my garden. I'm very proud. My coriander and the parsley. I have the garlic here, and I have the different variety of chili. This is our capsicums. I have the green, the red, and the yellow capsicum. Curry powder, salt, pepper, and the olive oil. Plus, to put on top of our stuffed capsicum, I have the Mexican style mozzarella, red cheddar, and Colby cheese. Let's slice our ingredients. So first, I'm going to slice left-handed. This will be hot. I like the smell of the coriander. You can smell the freshness. This is actually the first time for me to cook a stuffed capsicum. My cooking is actually hit or miss. So I hope this will be a hit. So just cut this in half. Take off the seeds. Now the yellow capsicum. A bit awkward. One more, we have the green. I like to use it, it's really cute. Let's start cooking. I already put all the ingredients here. Tiny bit of pepper, because I already have chilies. Now I'm going to add the parsley and the coriander. Our filling is ready. Turn it off. Now let's put our filling in the capsicum. What are you cooking tonight? More on the red. I'm going to put the cheese on top. Now I'm putting this in the oven. So it's in the oven now. I'll cook this for 12 minutes. So it looks like our capsicum is now ready. Yay, it is! Now this is our stuffed capsicum. Yum! I love the flavor combination. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.